Good morning, 10th class students. Open your textbook, notebook, pen, take pen, and get ready for class. We are doing coordinate geometry about coordinate system, points, x coordinate, y coordinate, and we are finding the distance between 2 points. See, here is a problem. Find a relation between question number 16. Find a relation. Find a relation between x and y. Between x and y such that the points x comma y is equidistant from the points seven one and 3 comma 5. Okay. See, we have to find the relation between x and y such that this point xy, is equidistant from the points 7 1 3 5. Suppose this is a point, take A, x comma y, and here is a point 7 comma 1. Here is a point 3 5. These are equidistant. They are equidistant. Equidistant. Say this is B, say this is C. These are equidistant. Here given AB equal to the length of AB equal to the length of AC. By using this distance formula, applying this formula, we can find the relation between x and y. Let us find the distance AB. AB, the length of AB. What are the coordinates of A? X comma y. B, 7 comma 1. And here AC, the distance between AC, A, XY, C, 3 comma 5. Let us find the distance. Distance formula, difference of square of difference of x coordinates and y coordinates. Y 1 minus y whole square. Now, it is in A minus whole square form. So a minus b whole square. Apply formula and expand. For a squared 49 minus 2ab 2 into 7 into x plus x squared. This is a minus b whole square, and this is a squared minus 2y plus y squared. Okay. Under root under root here square 49 plus 1 50 and x squared plus y squared minus 14x minus 2y plus 50. This is the distance between AB. So units. Similarly, AC. Difference of x coordinates 3 minus x whole square, 5 minus y whole square, under root. See a minus b whole square 9 plus minus 6x plus b square x square plus a square minus 2ab 10y plus y under root. Next write in order. X squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y minus 6x minus 10y under root units. This is the distance units. Since AB equal to AC, the distance equidistant. Since the length of AB is equal to the length of AC, then write the equation here: x squared plus y squared minus 14x minus 2y. This is y. Minus 2y plus 50. This is AB is equal to AC. What is AC? X squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y 9 plus 25 34. Here 9 25 34. Here 34 plus 34 under root. In order to remove this square root, we have to do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. On squaring on both sides only we can remove the square. Both sides square root cancel. Now what are the terms remains here? X squared plus y squared minus 14x minus 2y plus 50 is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y plus 30. Here see, on squaring these terms, square root is removed. Now here x squared y squared both sides subtract. All xy terms one side, constants. Let us bring one equation. Here minus 14x minus 6x becomes plus 6x minus 2y plus 10y plus 50 minus 34 is equal to 0. Now minus 8x plus 10y, 8y, 10y minus 2y and plus 16 is equal to 0. From all these we can cancel 2 minus 2 taking minus 8 common or minus 8 taking common x plus x minus 2 because minus is outside and minus 16 is equal to 0 x minus 2y minus 16 is 0. 0 by 8 minus 8 becomes 0. So this is the relation between x and y, like this. So important. But formula is same. Formula is same. Distance formula only. On this single formula, we did so many problems. 16 problems given in the exercise and some 7-8 examples are given, 9 examples are given. So totally 25 problems only on this only one single problem. So you please remember. No. No. Note down x minus y is equal to 60. Bukan sama terhadap apa dia dalam sini. Terdapat pun mana masuk itu dia. Dia untuk itu. కొంచెం కుదిరినప్పుడు తీసి అలాగా తెచ్చుకోలేదు మర్చిపోయాడు. ఈ మ్యాథ్స్ కదా ఇంత రాస్తాం. చాక్ పీస్ మెత్త ఉంది, బాగా వస్తుంది. అదంతా ఇప్పుడు అసలే కరోనా టైంలో ముసలు section formula. Find the point. Find the point which divides the line segment. Which divides the line segment. Which divides the line segment, joining two points. Joining two points. Joining two points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Dividing in the ratio divides in the ratio internally in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Yes. Here This is the diagram. Say this is the line segment joining two points. Take a values that is say this is A, B, point P, X, Y. Coordinates of A, X1, Y1, X2, Y2, B, coordinates of B, and this is X axis, Y axis. O, Y, X, X axis. Let us draw. Let the point of this point, let the point P, X, Y. A given X1, Y1, X2, Y2, dividing in the ratio M1, M2. See, let us draw perpendiculars from A, perpendiculars from B, from P. And perpendiculars on this, perpendicular on this. See, let us take L, M, N, and here A, B, no, C, L. Okay, these are perpendiculars. We get here two triangles, triangle PAC, triangle PAC, and triangle BPD. These two triangles are similar. Of course, we didn't cover 8th chapter similar triangles. In that chapter, it is given similar triangles, about similar triangles. Just now, after I am explaining now, this is, since this is x1, L is x1, M is x, and N is x2. And here this is y1, and this is y, and this is y, and this is y2. This is y1. Yes, y1. See the sides. What is ln? X minus x1. X minus x1. And here also ln is same as AC, x minus x1. And here x2 minus x. X2 minus x. X2 minus x. Here also x2 minus x. X2 minus x. And this is y. Y1. This is y. Y minus y1. Y minus y1, and this is y2 minus y. So these are the sides. In this figure, these two triangles PAC, BPD, these two triangles are similar triangles. According to, of course, not PAC, triangle PAC is similar to triangle BPD. BPD according to angle. According to criterion of similar triangles, of course we learn in the other chapter. Now no need to know. Just I am giving formula. Now when they are similar, how they are similar? Angles, corresponding angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. First angle is 90 degrees. Angle C equal to angle D, angle A equal to angle P, corresponding angles. And here angle P is equal to here angle B, corresponding angles. Three angles of a triangle are equal, respectively equal, then they are said to be similar. When they are similar, we can write the ratio of corresponding sides. Then ratio of corresponding sides, ratio, say this is first x coordinates I am taking, x minus x1 by, otherwise write like this, is side AC by side PD is equal to side PC by side BD. Now write the AC. What is AC? X minus x1 by PD, x2 minus x is equal to PC. PC is y minus y1 by y2 minus y. Like this we got. Now this sides relation, cross multiply, we get now, cross multiply we get these two, x minus x1 is equal to into y2 minus y is equal to x2 minus x into y minus y. Multiply and bring all xy terms one side, we get a relation. And third side also there. We are not taking third side. X coordinate, third side also we can write, and the third side 90 degrees opposite. PM1, here it is PA by BP. This is M1 by M2. Now let us take only x coordinates and ratio. Second time y coordinates and ratio. Now, if we take a constant multiply k, since it is given ratio, now here into k cancel, again this m1 by m2 only. Now let us take the relation x minus x1 by x2 minus x is equal to m1 by m2. This is x coordinates, and y coordinates y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 y is equal to m1 by m2. Cross multiplying cross multiplying m cross multiplying m1 of x2 minus x1 x is equal to m2 of x minus x1 multiply m1 x2 minus m1 x is equal to m2x minus m2 x1. Now bringing all x terms one side, only x. We want the coordinates of the point P xy. xy. Here the coordinates xy. So let us write x terms m minus m1x here minus m2 y x here x is equal to this m1 x2 getting this one m1 x2 right side and here minus m2 x1. In all the terms we have negatives or we can write taking x common minus x common m1 plus m2 here minus taking common m1 x2 minus m2 x1 like this. We want minus cancel x is equal to x square m1 x2 plus m2 taken minus common plus m2 x1 by m1 plus x m2. This is x coordinate. Similarly, by taking this two ratio, we can get similarly symbol. Similarly, we can find y is equal to y2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is x coordinate, y coordinate. This is the point which divides the line segment joining two points in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. It is divided internally. So this is the system of finding the point which divides the line. The point P is dividing the line in the given ratio m1 is to m2. So this is the formula. I will write formula 1 plus Pxy. Finally the point P, we write Pxy is equal to m1 plus m1 into x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 x coordinate. This is all x coordinate. And similarly y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is the point dividing the line joining the two points and internally dividing m1 is to m2. Ratio will be given. Points are given. We have to find the point which divides the line in the given ratio. Note down. This is the point. Final answer is this point of intersection of the line joining two points. Right formula, don't confuse. 100. Tomorrow let us do problems on this. This formula is called section formula. Section formula means the ratio formula. Ratio. Find the point which divides the line segment joining 2 points like this. Find the point joining the which divides the line internally in the ratio m1 m2 ratio. Here the points are x1 y1 x2 y2. An easy way to write cross multiplication m1 x2 and m2 x1, and similarly y coordinates m1 y2 plus m2 y1 like this. Cross multiplication. This formula is easy when we draw the diagram. m1 x2 figure, when we draw the figure m1 x2 plus m2 x1. Similarly m1 y2 m2 y1. This is y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate. So easy way to remember cross multiplication. Draw this figure, then you will write easily formula. Don't confuse. m1 x2 cross multiplication and m2 x1 in the middle plus, and the denominator also plus m1 plus m2. By calculations we are getting x coordinate. So this is the formula derivation. Please practice. Let us do tomorrow problems on exercise. Okay. Thank you.